Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. Today's song is on Graveyard and it's on the ukulele, so let's get started. So for this song, the verse, pre-chorus, and bridge are the same chords, and the chorus is going to be different, so I'll teach you guys that after. Now the first chord for the verse, pre-chorus, and bridge is going to be a G to a B minor 7, and then an F sharp minor. So we're going to be using these three chords for those three parts. So here's a little example of how the verse sounds like using a finger picking. So for this one, I'm going to be using tabs to teach you guys, and I'll try to play that slow so you guys can follow. And G is played twice. Then go into the B minor 7, which is only played once, and into F sharp minor. Alright, so let's start at the top, starting with G. To B minor 7. Then F sharp minor. So this time I'm going to be a little faster. So for the chorus, we're going to be using the chords G to A, then B minor 7, and D. So in the beginning of the chorus, it's just going to be whole notes that you're playing. So G, really simple. So and then the chorus starts to pick up, and all I'm doing when I play it is just following the beat, which I'm using the strum pattern of down, down, up, up, down. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I guess I'll see you guys on the next video.